Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we talk about banking data points to help you save money as well as gain access to funding. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And if you find value in this video at any time, whether it be now or later, do me a favor and smash that like button so that YouTube knows that this is really good content and it can be shared out to more people just like us. So in today's video, we're going to be going over 3 different 0% down payment home loan programs that you can have access to starting today. I'm going to overview all 3 of them so that you have a really good understanding on what you can and cannot qualify for. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the content. So our 0% down payment home loan programs. Which home loan programs am I talking about? Number 1, Navy Federal Credit Union Home Buyer's Choice, no money down. Number 2, Rocket Mortgages VA Home Loan Program. And number 3, USDA's Rural Development. Now, if you are staring at the list of 3 different lenders up here on the screen, you might be thinking to yourself, well, I can't qualify for those programs because those are going to be for military. Well, actually, 2 out of 3 of these programs don't require any military experience whatsoever. There might require military affiliation, but as we go throughout this video, I'm going to show you some of the workarounds for some of these programs where you could still qualify in your pursuit of home ownership. So first on the list, we have Navy Federal Credit Union Home Buyer's Choice. Now, Navy Federal has a list of different mortgage options that you could take advantage of if you are a member of Navy Federal. And we will also go over how to become a member with Navy Federal Credit Union. The program that I'm talking about for this particular video is going to be the Home Buyer's Choice program. Now, Navy Federal Home Buyer's Choice states no down payment required. We want you to realize the dream of home ownership now without years of waiting to save for a down payment. Our Home Buyer's Choice loans offer 100% financing on purchases, making them a great choice for first-time home buyers. Loan features are going to be fixed rate and consistent payments for the duration of the term. No private mortgage insurance required on this loan product. Another great feature within this program is going to be Navy Federal's no refi rate drop. With our easy no refi rate drop, you have rate drop assurance. Buy your home now, and if your rates drop later, you could lower your rate without refinancing for a one-time fee of $250. Normal refinance costs range anywhere from $2,500 just to refinance, but with Navy Federal's no refi rate drop, you could refinance or at least lower your rate without changing your term for a minimum fee of $250, which is a great deal. 100% financing loan rates for 30-year fix as well as jumbo loans. So if you are in a higher cost area and you want to take advantage of a 0% down program, look no further than Navy Federal Credit Union because they offer 0% financing on jumbo loans as well too. Now it's very easy to apply. All you have to do is start your application process by clicking the Apply Now button, and you do have to become a member with Navy Federal Credit Union. So let's talk about eligibility and how to become a member with Navy Federal. So in order to become a member of Navy Federal, you have to be either currently serving or have served in the military. You also could be a DoD employee or contractor. And also, if you don't have any military affiliation whatsoever, if someone in your family is a Navy Federal member, then you could get in through their affiliation and their referral. Or if you live with a Navy Federal member where you are housed and have the same address as him or her, then you could also become a member that way as well too. The next 0% down program we're going to be talking about is going to be Rocket Mortgages VA Loan Program. Rocket Mortgages VA Loan Program allows you to put 0% down if you are in the military or you have some type of affiliation with a military member. So who qualifies for a VA loan? You qualify if you've served 181 days of active service during peacetime. So that's going to be 6 months and 1 day. You also qualify if you've served a consecutive 90 days of active service during wartime, or if you've served more than 6 years of service with the National Guard or Reserves, or 90 days under Title 32 with at least 30 days of those days being consecutive, or if you're the spouse of a service member who has lost their life in line of duty or as the result of a service-connected disability. In order to qualify for this VA loan, you do need some type of documentation or certificate of eligibility. Other VA loan eligibility requirements: credit scores. You could go as low as a 580, but if you want to take advantage of 100% financing, then you're going to need a credit score as low as 620. Income. Your lender will evaluate your debt-to-income ratio when considering your ability to pay back the loan. If your qualifying FICO score is less than 640 and the loan-to-value ratio is over 95%, then your debt-to-income ratio is going to be capped at 45%. The minimum FICO score is going to be 620 if your loan-to-value ratio is going to be greater than 90%. If you have a FICO score of 580 to 619, then the max debt to income ratio is going to be 45%. If your FICO score again is going to be 580 to 619, then you can only purchase a unit or a single family dwelling of 1 to 2 units. VA jumbo loans are not allowed with FICO scores less than 620. And of course, funding fees. We can't talk about VA loans without talking about funding fees. Most people who get a VA loan are required to pay a funding fee, which covers the cost to taxpayers. So how this works is if you are going to be taking advantage of no money down, your loan amount is going to be the same amount as your purchase price. So let's use an example of $450,000. If you're going to buy a home that's worth $450,000, your loan amount is going to be $450,000. Now the VA funding fee normally ranges from 1.25% all the way up to 3.3% of the loan amount. So since your loan amount is going to be the same as your purchase price in our example of $450,000, if your down payment is less than 5%, then your funding fee is going to be 2.15% of that loan amount. So 2.15% of $450,000 is going to be $9,675. $9,675 is what you are going to be paying as far as your funding fee. Now that funding fee is going to be included with your other closing costs, but you do have an option to roll that funding fee into your overall loan amount, which is going to reflect in your interest rate and your overall loan balance that is owed. And last but not least for our zero down programs is going to be our USDA Rural Development Program. Now, what does this loan program do? The Section 502 Guaranteed Loan Program assists approved lenders in providing low and moderate income households the opportunity to own adequate, modest, decent, safe, and sanitary dwellings as their primary residence in eligible rural areas. Who may qualify for this program? Applicants must meet income eligibility and cannot exceed 115% of the median household income. They must agree to personally occupy the dwelling as their primary residence, and they must be a U.S. citizen, U.S. non-citizen, national, or qualified alien. Now, where can you take advantage of this program? In eligible rural areas. So if you make your way over to this website, which I will link in the description box below, you will find the USDA's eligibility site. And this site will allow you to see what is eligible for their program by simply typing in the address or going to a specific area in which you are looking for. For more information about this program, again, I will link it in the description box below. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, 3 different home loan programs that require 0% down. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and go and smash the like button. And if you haven't done so already, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel as we start to release more videos just like this that go over different financial home loan programs to help you financially win. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.